Chains of habit are too light to be felt until they become too heavy to be broken. Hello everyone, I'm Tanvi and welcome back to my channel. If you are new, do not forget to subscribe. Recently, I took a small poll on my Instagram account related to what you guys will like to hear in my next video. And I gave you all two options of fake friends and forming new habits. And I got a lot of messages and votes for forming new habits. So yes, our today's video is going to be all about how to form new habits and how to maintain them. So if you want to know, just keep watching. So the quote that I used in the start of my video was by Warren Buffett, which speaks volume when it comes to habits. So let me tell you, in the initial days when you begin to form a habit, a little discipline is needed, but you also have to put a little effort so that you achieve what you want. Here I'm going to share some tips and tricks that I have learned over the years, and it has helped me form new habits and stick to them. So let's just explore them. The first one is commit to 30 days. 3 to 4 weeks is all the time you need to make a habit automatic. According to science, a person takes around 21 days to form a new habit. But I personally feel that this depends from the person to person. And also I want to tell you that if you want to start something new, a month is a good block of time to commit to something. And also it fits our calendar nicely. So if you're going to begin something, just make it a point that you start it at least for a minimum of 30 days. So that you come to know if you are regular in it or no. A tip that I would like to add is that just begin whatever you want on an even date of time. For example, if you're starting something on 1st of August, start it on that day so that by 1st of September, you come to know how much you have progressed. The second thing is you have to start simple. Obviously, you cannot change your life in a day. What happens is we generally get so over-motivated that we pick up something heavy which is very difficult to maintain. So I suggest you to start with something so simple that you cannot say no to it. For example, if you have decided to study for 2 hours a day, make it a point that you study for 30 minutes a day and then you build on that. Say you're going to do 50 push-ups a day, start with 5 push-ups. If you're going to meditate for 1 hour daily, start with 5 minutes daily. That is how you begin a new habit, by keeping it very simple. I'll give a very close example to me. Last month, I started a challenge that was no sugar challenge for 30 days. I was experimenting it for the first time in my life. I had never done it before. So it was kind of difficult for me, and as always, if it is difficult, I ended up losing in it. So I just want to tell you all, don't pick anything that is very heavy for you all. Just start with something simple and very easy. The third thing is make it daily. Consistency is very important when it comes to forming habits. If you want to make the habit stick, you have to be very consistent. Make it a point to do the same thing every day. Yes. For example, if you want to exercise, just start exercising at same time and same place. What happens is, when you exercise at the same time and same place, it becomes a routine for you and you don't forget to do that things. Also, if you slip or if you get off the track, make it a point to get back on track quickly. You should not expect to fail, but you should always be ready for the failures. For example, if you know that your birthday is coming in next week and you are on a diet, what you have to do is day before your birthday, you have to eat minimum food so that you have lot of space or lot of quantity to eat on the next day, that is your birthday. And also to get back on track after your birthday, you have to immediately get back on your diet so that you don't slip off. This is a very good thing that I practice and it helps a lot. Also, you have to remember one thing. You have to analyze what all troubles or what all circumstances are going to be around when you're forming a new habit. Say if you have some daily emergencies to meet or that may arise suddenly, you should be prepared and you should shift your timings accordingly so that there's no obstacle in between your new habit. The fourth thing is remind yourself. Yes, what happens is when you begin something new, within 1 or 2 weeks, you tend to forget that. It's very natural and it happens with me also. But the thing that you have to do is you have to constantly keep reminding ourselves that we are on something and we are committed to something, and that's the reason we are going to achieve it. Constant reminder will help you form a new habit quickly. The fifth thing is break your habits into chunks. When you start forming a new habit and when you reach a certain level, break your habits into segments. Yes, what you have to do is, for example, if you have decided to meditate for 10 minutes in a day, make it a point to meditate 5 minutes in the morning and 5 minutes in the evening. Yes. Or else, if you have decided to study for say 1 hour daily, study 30 minutes in a day and 30 minutes in the evening. With this, what happens is you don't get a lot of pressure to complete a habit, and you can complete or you can create or you can do that habit, whatever you have decided, in a smooth flow. The sixth one is reward yourself. Yes, this is a very important thing that you have to do, as this motivates us more. This is very important and I personally do it. Say I'm on a no sugar challenge for 30 days. So what I do is on the 15th day, I take a very tiny piece of chocolate or anything sweet and I just eat it, so that it gives me a kind of motivation that yes, I have done it for 15 days. Tanvi, you have to do it for more 15 days. This way, if you just reward yourself continuously for something or the very small things that you achieve, it really motivates you to go ahead. So reward yourself without forgetting. So yes, these were the tips and tricks that I use, and it helps me to form new habits. For you all to know, I have formed the habit of reading, the habit of eating healthy, and the habit of exercising with this tips. And I want you all to tell me if this was helpful to you in the comment section below. And yes, I'll be back soon with another video. Till then, see ya, take care.